Alright, so the last thing that I wanted to cover in this video is how to add a USB wireless interface to your virtual machine. So I have a wireless USB here, and I'm going to connect it to the computer. Right after I plug the USB device on my computer, the computer recognizes the device by making a sound. So if I click on this icon here, and notice that is a 802.11n USB wireless LAN card. So this is my device. So if I come here to the guest operating system and I click on the network icon, notice that I don't have a wireless connection. So the device has not been recognized by the virtual machine. So right now the computer has control of the device. So in order for me to plug the device to the guest operating system, I need to come here. You see this USB icon. If I right click on it, that I have the options to select the Ralink 802.11 WLAN. So I'm going to do that. So after the device has been connected to the virtual machine, I'm going to head over to the network icon. And notice here that I have a wireless signal. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on select network. All the networks within the range of my wireless device should be listed here. So I'm going to click on a network and click connect. Right now I'm currently connected to this network, but usually you click connect and then the connection is established. In many instances, after you connect the wireless device to the virtual machine, the wireless device does not work as intended. And the reason is that Virtualbox, the USB device needs to be added to Virtualbox, and Virtualbox needs to recognize that device. So in order to do that, you need to turn off the machine, and you need to go to settings, and on the settings you need to click on USB. Notice that I don't have a USB here, so if you click on the plus sign, you should be able to add your USB device. Okay, and notice that right now 2.0 USB 2.0 is selected. From past experience that I know that 2.0 it doesn't perform very well, so you need to change it to USB 3.0. In order to do that, you need to turn off the machine and then select USB 3.0, click OK, and restart the machine. You can also make changes. You can also edit the configuration for the USB wireless card. So you select your USB, and then you come here and make any changes to the configuration. I'm going to click OK.